One with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. Death could not hold you. The veil tore before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring the praise of your glory. For you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. The name of Jesus.
Hi everyone, it's RENDYEL, Rendiel. Ako sa Rendiel Shak ni Rendiel. I am Rendiel and welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. Ayan, thank you very much po for watching this song cover of the Christian song, What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong. And shout out po sa nag-request ng song na ito, Mr. Erwin Santos. Yo bro! Yes, thank you very much for requesting this wonderful song and binabati po kita. Belated happy birthday. And may God bless you and may God keep you the whole year through and patuloy na ikaw ay manatiling mabuting tao. And of course, patuloy na magtagumpay ka sa iyong buhay. Pagpalain ka ni Lord and thank you so much. Bye!
was great, your love was greater.